Welcome to the Beaver Valley Ski Club. My name is Tim Oliver. I'm the general manager. Here at Beaver Valley, we have lots to offer, but without snowmaking, nothing else matters. Snowmaking requires high pressure water, high pressure air, and lots of hydro. The water comes from the Beaver River into our holding pond, into our snowmaking pump house. By permit, we can take 10% of the average annual rate flowing through both tributaries of the Beaver River to a maximum of 2,700 gallons per minute. On a typical year, we will put roughly 60 million gallons out through our pump house at 550 pounds per square inch. The water side of snowmaking requires a piping network of roughly 28,000 feet. We have a similar piping network, slightly smaller for air, due to the fact that we have no air pipe in the north. The piping network, most of which is dated from the late 80s, is also part of our maintenance requirements as we continue to find holes in things in the south as well as canyon and surrounding areas. Part of the build out of automation will be replacement of all of the existing pipe.
Hi, I'm Tom Cavers, Operations Manager at Beaver Valley Ski Club, and I'm here to talk about SnowRite. SnowRite's a fantastic technology that we invested in this year. It is a technology that allows us to get the actual snow depth on the hill using the snowcats. They have GPS in the snowcats, and they will measure the snow depth all along our ski trails to tell us exactly what we have. This is a great technology in that it takes all of the guesswork out of knowing whether we have enough or don't have enough snow in any given location. SnowRite also is a tool for our snowmakers to use where they can turn on and off guns on the screen behind me, and that will provide a countdown timer to let us know before we even push snow whether there's enough snow related to each gun for that area. The automated snow guns have many benefits, one of which is their ease of operation. We can start and stop the entire line of snow guns in a matter of minutes. That allows us to take advantage of shorter weather windows in the event that we get an overnight window of opportunity to make snow, where we could previously not take advantage of the 6 or 7 hours that were available. Now we can with these automated guns. Their other tremendous benefit is they are controlled by software that is constantly calculating what their most efficient flow rates are. So those guns will typically make more snow than a similar manually operated gun because they're always running at their peak efficiency for the temperature and humidity at that time. The time that would be saved by using an automated system would probably reduce our total number of hours operated significantly. That is largely due to the fact that an automated snow gun in comparison to a manual snow gun of the same type running side by side, the automated snow gun is roughly 30% more efficient than a manual snow gun. And this would allow us to reduce our operating time over the course of the season quite dramatically.
The final product Beaver Valley should be focused upon is 100% automation across the entire property while pumping 4,000 gallons per minute with 4,000 cubic feet of air, equaling a 1-to-1 ratio. This would allow us to drop from 600 to 400 hours of snowmaking. This would ensure that we have the vast majority of the trails open by Christmas holidays and 50% of your terrain open in the tight years. This will take a large capital investment over many, many years. The future of snowmaking at Beaver Valley is to achieve 100% automation across the property. Based off of historical averages, for the staff to achieve our goals for snowmaking for the membership, we require a gun automated that will operate at minus 2.5 wet bulb every 80 feet on every Priority 1 trail. That represents approximately 250 installations. Currently, we have 27. We have now completed phase 1 of snowmaking at Beaver Valley. This includes 65 manual installations on Thruway, Cat's Meow, and Matt's Meadow, and 22 automated installations on your Andes and Exhibition line. The next step for Beaver Valley is phase 2. Phase 2 will include Eager Beaver, Avalanche, Canyon, Ridge Run, and Boomer. To complete automation in phase 2, will require 70 10-meter guns and 9 tower mounted fan guns. Once this is complete, your staff will be able to make snow in the entire bowl as well as most of the front side simultaneously. This will ensure the greatest probability of opening every season with over 50% of your terrain. Phases 3, 4, and 5, once complete, would represent 100% automation here at Beaver Valley. These would include the trails in the north, the trails in the south, and several of the smaller chute trails in between. Once this is complete, your snowmakers will be able to operate snowmaking with a computer, start and stop the entire system in 2 minutes. This will allow us to capture the maximum amount of snowmaking hours in the front end of the season to ensure the highest probability of opening with 50 to 75% of your terrain every year. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you ever have any questions, I can be reached by phone, in the office, or tim.oliver@beavervalley.ca. Thank you again, and have a great day.